Hello guys, good afternoon. Kami ang Lea Flowers of Gift and Surprises. Ngayon po ay samahan niyo po kami dito sa Pasay City upang maghatid ng kilig, saya at pagmamahal. So let's go, samahan niyo kami.
Take a chance on me, say you're on your way. Time waits for nobody, you know it's getting late. Yeah, I'm impatient, ain't waiting, but it's worth seeing your face again. We'll run away, who cares when we go? I pick a place when we can just hit the road. Let's stay up all night, chasing the sunrise. Love, money, and highs, drink away all the lows. Let's stay up all night, never saying goodbye. We can sleep when we die. Let's let everybody.
Hello po ma'am. Surprise po ma'am. Say not surprise gift mo ma'am. Meron po kayong balloon. Meron po kayong bouquet of roses. Meron po kayong box of Ferrero. Meron po kayong cake. At dahil po napaka-special ang araw na to, napaka-special nyo rin po sa taong nagpadala nito, may message po siya sa'yo, babasahin ko na lang po. Happy 10th monthsary sa atin. I love you always, my baby, palagi ko. For better and for worse, I'll always love you. Ayan, napaka-sweet naman po ni ma'am. Hingi po kami ng message po para po kay ma'am.
Thank you, my baby, palagi. I love you. May iyak ka naman. Thank you, asawa. I love you.
Promise you won't leave, cause I'm begging you to stay. I never get complacent, just embrace it. As long as we're together,